Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. For those new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will really help spread this video to more people. These videos will move pretty fast, so if at any point you need more time, you can pause the video, adjust the speed from the player's bottom right corner, or check the GitHub repository in the description. In today's video, I'll show you a great tool that I use in every single project. Nodemon helps you develop Node.js based application by automatically restarting the application when file changes are detected. So let's get started. We are starting by running npm init. Now install Nodemon globally by running npm install -g nodemon. Create a new JS file that we'll use to write a program and restart it using Nodemon. I'll do a very simple program where I just console log a variable. If we run this using Node, we'll get our result. Now let's run our program using Nodemon app.js. As you can see, the program started successfully, and now if we change something into the code, it will automatically restart. Nodemon will look for changes inside the whole directory, so let's create another JS file. Inside here, I'll just create a dummy function and export it. Now I'll require and use it inside our app.js file. Start the app again using Nodemon app.js. If we go and change something inside our module.js file, you'll see that the app will automatically restart and show the new result. So that was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.